Starting to pop all over town, but it's a billboard along I-80 that's getting a lot of attention. This billboard tells people to go to Rockport, Missouri to get their 4th of July supplies. The problem? Bringing fireworks across state lines is illegal. Omaha police say the laws are in place to keep people safe.
It is a concern anytime you have something promoting something that's actually illegal in the city. There's concerns about rockets and other projectiles that could possibly more likely injure a person.
Anything bought at a stand in the state of Nebraska is legal to shoot off on the 4th, but police are reminding residents that it is illegal to shoot off any fireworks in city parks or in the streets. A new study